Found this night crawler outside. Should be good to use to go fishing. He's a little bit on the big side, so I picked him up, laid him on this 1-gallon jug here. As you can see, he's pretty long. He's not even stretched out all the way. It's probably, I don't know, 14, 16 inches long when he stretches out. You see him pulling back in here. Good fishing bait here. Didn't clean them off or nothing. I heard some people eat worms, but not my cup of tea. See, it looks like if that's a head, I don't know if they have heads, but this end he keeps sticking up. Let me see. Yeah, he's retracting a little. Pretty long. Up in the air here. Whoa, don't fall off. But anyways, thought I'd make a little quick video of this enormous size night crawler. So there you can see how big he is compared to this 1-gallon jug. Now he's really stretching out. Make some trout happy. Thanks for watching.